Good morning, students. How are you all? Welcome to computer class. Today, we are going to continue our chapter number 5, editing document in MS Word 2016. In our previous video, we did learn about starting our document, backstage view, saving a Word file, and different selection option. How to select particular word, how to select a paragraph, and how to select the whole document. For selection, we having various shortcut keys that we did learn in our previous video. Now today we are going to learn about inserting a text. In Word 2016, new text can be added on already existing document, entering by using insert mode or by using over typing mode. So insert mode, follow these steps to use the insert mode are listed below. Right click on the status bar. The customize status bar menu will appear. Now click on the over type option. The insert option is set on the status bar, which indicates that the insert mode is selected. Means you can easily insert it, the things that you want to insert. Now place the pointer to the right of the character when the new text is to be inserted. Type the text that you want to insert. Now over typing mode. The existing text can be replaced by typing a new text on it. So let's learn how to use over typing mode. Step number 1. Click on the insert option. It is present on the status bar. This will change the current mode in over typing mode. Now place the cursor before the text and being typing. The existing text will be replaced with new one. Copying text. Copying means to making the duplicate copy of text. Copying means making the duplicate copies, making the other copy. This is done using the copy and paste command. So let's learn how to use copy paste command. Select, highlight or select the text that has to be copied. Press the right click and select the copy option. You can also select from clipboard. Step number 3. Place the cursor where the text is to be copied. Again press the right mouse button. This menu will appear and click on the paste button. The selected text will be copied there. Now let's learn moving text. Moving the text means to move the text from the original location to a new location. This process is similar to copy a block of text. We use cut button instead of copy button. So follow these steps to move the text. Select the block of text that you want to move. Select the cut button from the clipboard group. It is on the home tab. The selected text display disappear from its place. Now take the cursor to the spot or to the place where the text is to be pasted and click on the paste button. that is again on the clipboard group. The previously cut block of text gets pasted at its new location. Deleting text. The backspace and delete key present on the keyboard. They are used to delete the text. Backspace key will delete the text to the left side of the cursor, and delete key will erase to the right side of the cursor. To delete means both key are used to delete. To delete a large selection of text, first you need to select and then you have to press delete key. So all the selected text will be deleted. Now let's learn undo and redo changes. Word always keep track of changes that we make so that we can easily remove a changes and restore the original text. Follow these steps to undo and redo changes. Follow this step to use undo command. Click on the undo button that is present on the quick access toolbar. So whatever the last changes we have made, it will be removed. To reverse the action of undo, we have to click on the redo command that is also present on the quick access toolbar. That's it for today, students.